Obi Cubana, my advice to Obi Cubana and his next of kins. If you know Obi Cubana, tag her to this video. They say I know is the last comment of a fool. If to say I know before, I for this to Geh Geh advice. You know understand? This thing when it happen shows Nigerians wanna be very sentimental people. Emotions and sentiments is the number one problem of Nigeria. Adopted son, best way they adopt. Come house. That boy is not a child, na adult he be. He come on TikTok, call the write that kind write up. The Bible said, out of the abundance of the heart, a man speak. Now challenge where they go on TikTok, we put in a cash cruise. But why be saying that particular write up come into his mind? Then the man himself come online to set the record straight on they carry emotions and sentiments they go that place. Because Nigeria and country will be say they Western Africa. If Nigeria and country will be say na ide Northern Africa, this rubbish they do for this country when I go fit try am. If Nigeria and country will dey Northern Africa, you go try that rubbish. Sure. Now, my advice to Obi Cubana. First of all, I really applaud your effort, the way you set that record straight. Next of kin for Nigeria no will work again. What do you do for a living? I mean, next of kin. Nigerians. Since when next of kin turn occupation for this country? Wait till another man they labor for you. They one place, they relax, they plan out the person want to come up for this world, make you take over. What do you do for a living? I mean, next of kin for Nigeria. Now those things they happen. You know what, go work. See, as I dey here like this, my next of kin go suffer for my hand. Not go work. The best thing I can do for you as a father, as I dey here like this now, is to set you up for success. And my advice to Obi Cubana, if you know Obi Cubana, tag her to this video. If you want to become successful in life, make her watch this video. Not be by Rolls Royce or Lamborghini. Do you have what it takes? Do you have what it takes? Wisdom is given, and knowledge that they go school, they go learn. So the best you can do for these boys, teach them to make their own money. Because if they give people hope, say, no worry, things day. The future is already made. No future is made. As I day like this, my advice to Obi Cubana, once you clock, you celebrate your 50 years birthday. If you clock 60, make sure so you will all your property. Will all your property for their presence, so that you go motivated to work. Will all your properties to charity. Let them go and work for their own money. You know what, go work. Next of kin go die work for my hand. Let me go labor for you. Then when the man come online to set record straight, now they complain. Say na small pikin. Who small pikin? That boy is an adult. That thing when he write is insensitive. You don't know me, you know. The person come correct the thing now for future, because the heart of man is wicked. I know it. Rich man never know. He never know where dangers where they put their children. Why people say poor man children they motivated to work harder than rich man children? Why people they praise the video today? Because out of everything where people still get, he still they strive to make his own money. Now why people they worship the video anywhere when he go? Because of only that mentality. You know you send the papa money at all. He they work for your money. But only few people will be say their father get money, get that mindset of the video. Many of them relax. Now why you say poor man children they go far than rich man children upon all the opportunities they have? Because they don't have the motivation. They always believe everything is set. Now what we see around here, later when we see some rich men children, later they suffer after their father leave the war, after their father buy. You see the children begin to live miserable life. They sell off all their properties. The rich man, as you die, go your picking, they sell your properties for a year. As you don't come out for the world, although your properties where you they suffer for your children, don't sell all of the finish. They live a world life. So I'm not leaving anything for my next of kin. You go suffer for my hand. Not go work for your own money. So all this is what they labor for now. One picking go come from nowhere. Then Nigeria not see that thing as a problem. Adopted son. They share properties. They pull up for. Not go work. You get?
Like and subscribe.